Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, it's New Year's Day. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna smoke a chuck roast out on the Z-Grill. Stick around, it's gonna be fantastic. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do here is use our binder. Use a little Worcestershire sauce here. Let's put it all everywhere. Rub it in. Some sides. Nice thick roast. And we're just gonna season with salt, pepper, garlic, a little SPG, my absolute all-time favorite. And you're gonna put it on pretty liberally here, guys. Big chunk of meat can handle a whole lot of salt and seasoning. Don't forget the sides. Once that's all seasoned up, bring that Z-Grill smoker up to temp. We're gonna smoke it around 225. Just take 6-7 hours. Of course, we're gonna use our new chef temp probe. Stick it right in there. I'll bring you back when we put this hunk of meat on. Alright guys, so we're out here at the smoker. It's at the temp. Bring it up to 225, 230. Right in the middle. Shut that lid. Let the smoker do its thing. When it reaches about 155, 160, we'll wrap it. And I'll bring you back for that. Stick around, guys. These things are my absolute favorite. That's why I'm doing it on New Year's. It is now up to 155. So we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna wrap it. Right there. Put a little apple cider vinegar in here. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Trying to slip in the ice. And we're gonna wrap it up good and tight. Put the probe back in it. Kind of got to guess where he had it here. Oh, it's already pretty tender. It's gonna be phenomenal. And we'll get it back on there. And when it reaches about 202, 205, we'll start probing it for tenderness and we'll give it a shot. By the way, this has been on for just a little over 3 hours. All right, guys. Let's check out the tenderness here. Frozen like butter. This 205, 206. We're gonna take it off. Bake it inside, let it rest for, 20, 30 minutes. Or as long as we can stand it. I'll bring you back when we unwrap it, give it a taste. Alright guys, so that's cut into this, and let's see how it turns out. It's juicy and good to me. Let's give it a taste. Smoker in there.